Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the gorgeous Rye Heights. It's the Rye Heights in the Greater Heights area of Houston, Texas, and we're in their kind of game room slash co-working room. So let's check it out. There is a lot going on here. It's a super fun room. You can see there's kind of areas to relax and talk to each other and just chill out. There's a beautiful ping pong table. It's a wood table, plank and hide. There's a pool table over there, but then there's also areas to just sit here too, and you can sit and relax, but you could also work from here. Really fun looking area. There's a microwave over there. There's TVs. Looks like some wine fridge or fridge, ice. There's kind of a really cool kind of side little area here to relax, and it's really high. It's about 25 stories. What am I talking about? 25 feet. Up there, and it's really cool. So anyway, nice area to relax. Okay, so now we're going to see another amenity. Let's go see that right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.